Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. So, I got this move, a scalp boom, crash 500, and we are in deep profit, guys. I given it to the VIP. You can see this. We've been going for like how many hours now? 1, 2, 3, about almost 4 hours now. 3 hours plus. All right, 1, 2, 3, about almost 4 hours now, and you can see our target really far up there. You can see our target up here. All right, so that's where our target is. All right, so this is crash 500, and I got this move with this strategy. Guys. So I want to talk to you guys about something. I realized that money is just if you want to focus more on making money, you always be working for money. But if you focus more on making the money work for you, all right, you make more money. The money will always come by. Do you understand? Like the money will always worship you. The money will be working for you. You don't have to stress yourself looking for how to really make the money. What I'm trying to say is that if you work on yourself, at some point, making the money will not be a very big deal. What will be the deal is having the time. What will be the deal will be time, like having enough time to like or putting the work, like be consistent, like be just come up, like wake up today and say that okay, I have time for my charts. All right, that's when you start making money, right? But when you want to start hunting for money, all your focus is just to just come into this market and start looking for making money. No, bro, you'll be suffering in this market. You'll be battling with the market. You take it takes, you take it takes. That's what's gonna happen to you. But if you do the proper thing, which is acquire the knowledge, the skill first, you'll be able to make money in a long run. All right. So trading is like going to school. You have to study. You write exams. You get your certification, your certificates, and you get a job. Trading is something like that. Though this one you don't have to go and get a job, but when talking about getting a job, it's like you start making consistent profits. All right. So now I've put in the work. I've worked for a long time, and so much thank God, see where I am today. All right, I've worked for a long time and see where I am today. So now I don't longer struggle like I used to struggle before in this market. All right, I don't longer struggle like I used to struggle before. What have I done differently? I'll show you guys everything you need to know about the strategy, what I did, how I took this trade. All right, I just want to take a minute to talk to you guys because when we hear about forex trading, maybe you heard it from on YouTube, Facebook, YouTube, maybe Okta, FX, then running ads and all, and we come in here, we think it's that easy to just make money from the market. It's not that easy. Yeah, of course, you could maybe your first day you could make some good sum of money, just like what happened to me 2017. My first trade made me so much money. When I didn't even know what is MT5 and what is MT4, did not even know how to open a trade, didn't even know the buy and sell. The first day I deposited a little sum of like $15. I made some money, some profits, more than 100% of my initial capital. All right, so you could be lucky, but you can never sustain, like you can never stay profitable for a longer time. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that you need to get the knowledge first, get the skill first. You need to have a working strategy. When you have a working strategy, what's going to happen to you, it will give you that confidence, because trading is mostly psychology. Forget about the strategy, but if you work on your strategy, you can never work on your psychology. You can never be sound. You never have a good psychology if you don't have a good strategy. So first of all, in as much as your psychology takes like 70% of your, it's add up like makes 100% of your winning of your, for you to be successful, you need to have psychology. Psychology is like 170%, while technical analysis is just like 20 or 30%. Okay, so in as much as psychology is very important, you can never have a good psychology, like work on your psychology, if you did not have a good strategy, if you don't have a good strategy. Do you understand? So you need to, first of all, have a good strategy. After having a good strategy, you have your psychology in check. Okay. So what I'm saying here is that you get a skill. So I will show you guys what I did and also tell you one thing about psychology that you need to know. All right. So first of all, what did I do? What did I do? So look at this market. I've been waiting for this market for a long time. For a long time. That's why I said it's not just jumping and rushing the market, it's skating, knowing the right thing to do. All right, making the market work for you. So now, I waited for this trade for a very long time. Sorry about that. I waited for this trade for a very long time. All right. So if you look closely, you realize that we are having a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The market started going up and broke the last lower high. This was a very key level on the 4 hours time frame. As you can see, created a new high. This is a new high here, and market came back in. After a new structure has been created, market will come back for a pullback. This is just a pullback of which market will go back to the initial. It will go back to this level, likely to go back to this point. All right, it's likely to go back to this point. That's why I'm giving this call, because I know that it's going back to this point. So if it approaches this level, I will take some profits and allow it to run. We've smashed TP1 already. So this 4 hours time frame, we've had a very long move already on the lower time frame. So now we had lower low, lower high, lower low, and market broke this previous lower high and created higher high. So after this will be a pullback before market start making the right move. Now, if you check on the daily time frame, this is our daily time frame. We have the same structure on the daily time frame. We have here lower low, lower high, lower low, and market created a higher high. So once market creates a higher high, that means we will have a pullback for market to start to come back again, then start making another high that will be higher than this previous high, another high that will be higher than this previous high. And maybe market will give us a double top, a double bottom chart pattern. All right, so that's the idea. Now I've created a story. Now a story that's okay. Market is likely to create a double bottom pattern. I could be right, because trading is probability, 100% probability. All right, I could be right, I could be wrong. All right, but what I know is that market is likely giving us a double bottom. So it could happen. Market can even get to this point in future, in weeks from now. If you can hold this position, you can make so much money. So now you need to have a strategy, not just coming here to take a scalping strategy, spike strategy, and you think you're doing so much. You're actually struggling with the market. But when you have the knowledge, the actual knowledge, it's very simple. It's not hard at all. Just what I did now. I'll just show you the best thing to do. Let's say you're my mentee. I'll just show you the best thing to do. Do this one, do that one. You do it, you apply it, keep applying it every day. It works perfectly well for you. Right? So it might come up to this point. So now with a little sum of money, you could invest just $10 and you make from this place to this point. Okay, let's say I use 0.7 from there. 0.7. So if it comes to this point with $10-20, because since I entered the trade, didn't even go to below, really, you could make $300 something. So that's the idea. That's the idea. That's the idea. That's the idea. With a little sum of money, you could make so much money. You don't have to stress yourself. Just all you need to do, if you catch this kind of move, you wake up the next day, you look at your chart, market is still going, and you go back to sleep and close your app. So market gets your level, your target, you make your money. All right. So you see, life is easy. It's not as hard as you trying to wait for market to get to your buy oversold level for it to catch spikes or scalp the market. Okay. So now we've gotten this idea that market could give us a double bottom chart pattern, which is a very key, a very strong chart pattern that once it's printed on the chart, it gives so much money. Good. So now, and this level that market just moved from, this level here is this key demand level. If you check on even on the daily, go back to the left, you see market reversed here several times. You have some reversal around that level. So it's a key level on the charts. It's a key strong level on the charts. So market could give us exactly what I just explained now. Fine. Then after that, we go down to 4 hours time frame, and Forward time frame tells us the right market structure, market direction. So even if markets will not get to this point, at least it will get to this level because it will want to do something like this. Because what is price action? Price action is just studying what has been happening in the market and look at the chart and see what is happening currently to determine, you use what is happening currently and what happened before to determine what's going to happen in future. So might want to do something like this up to this point, then it start dropping again. So what I'm saying now, even if in worst case scenario, even if it's not going back to where I'm targeting on the higher time frame, even if it's giving me this, I'm okay. I'm making good profit from this already. So you see, as simple as that, you are telling you know what the market is likely to do. So either of these two will happen today, tomorrow, all right? Then we make money. So now that's how it is. Now we've gotten the market direction now. So the next thing, what did I do? I look to the left. I'm looking for a demand zone. Demand. What is demand? Demand is it's just where you have high pressure in the market, like high volume in the market. When there is that footprint, those big guys footprints in the market on your chart, that's your demand zone. All right. So when you look to the left, you can go down to even on the 4 hours time frame, you can see here when we had strong spike from this level. Market rejected this zone. After the rejection, we had a very strong move to the upside. You can see the strong move to the upside, right? You can see our market moves really strong to the upside. You can see how market moves. We have 3 strong bullish candlestick to the upside, right? Before market started consolidating around this zone, right? So now this is a demand zone. That's a demand zone. This place now is a key demand zone, which means that we have these big buyers around this level. They are looking at this point. Okay, they are looking at this point. Now, after that, what else do we do? I will move down to my 1 hour time frame. Now, on my 1 hour time frame, when talking about demand, you want to see your last down candlestick. So I did not stay on the 1 hour time frame to identify my last down candlestick. But even if you want to take on the 1 hour time frame, our last down candlestick is the red candlestick you're seeing there, the red candlestick in between. This red candlestick, this strong red candlestick. So even if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the knowledge I'm giving out now for free, guys. So all you need to do for me is just appreciate by smashing that like button, bro. Like this video, drop some good comments, encourage me to do more, and also share the video link with friends. Let people watch and learn. The more we understand the markets, the more we win our brokers. That's what it is. Okay, so look at this. Now, where's my last down candlestick? This is my last down candlestick, that red candlestick we're seeing there on the 15 minutes time frame. So I can just do like this. Completely take from the top to down and track it like this, track it like that to where we have the current price, current market. Let me go back to the higher time frame. Good. So we have where we have the current market. So that's it. So we have our demand right there. So the demand is right this place now. Now I'm looking for momentum, market to lose momentum. After that, I'm looking for market to lose momentum after that level. I'm looking for market to lose momentum. And then once I see market lose momentum, the bearish momentum, I will quickly jump in and make my entry. And another thing that is always very tough is knowing your entry, having a final signal that gives you your entry. What is your final signal? Anything that signals that, okay, market's going to move from that level. It's very, very important. So you need to learn to know this thing, this candlestick formation pattern that will tell you, okay, at this point, market is losing momentum and the buyers are in, the market will start moving. That way, if you know this entry, you are fine, bro. You make good money. If you know this entry, you make good money. All right, you make good money. And I'm not saying, if you look here, the whole of this candlestick, we have imbalance, like there's imbalance here. So market needs to come back and fill up this level. You see the knowledge I'm giving out for free. market needs to come back and fill up this zone, this level, or these candlesticks before the last move. That's why I put my SL here just before market fill up the level completely. That's why I put my TP here. So that if you want to start dropping from this other block, this very other block, all right, it will first of all kiss my TP before it drops again. If at all it's dropping, if at all it's respecting this other block, to kiss my level before dropping. So you just need to be very flexible, very smart, all right? And you cannot do this thing one day. It takes time. It will take you time. And look, this market, I studied this market for a very long time, for days, for like 4 days. I studied this market for like 4 days. I waited for it patiently. And I saw it this morning, and I quickly take advantage. All right, took advantage, and we are swimming in deep profits now. The VIPs are eating. So, bro, you don't have to keep struggling in the market and waiting for indicators to tell you when to buy and when to sell. So indicator cannot tell you, it does not know. So even if indicator tells you to scalp this market, you would take just like 5 to 10 ticks, and you close the market, you close and leave. So look at all this move. Look at all these moves. We are making so much money here. All right. We're making so much money here. So you need to work on yourself, fix yourself up to a point that this market start respecting you. Your one trade could recover all your losses the whole time and make you more profits. So with this kind of trade now, if market gets to this point and it did not reverse, I will hold this trade till it gets to that level that I showed you on the higher time frame. It's very possible. We can do it. All right, we can do it. So you need to know your entry. All right. If you want to learn more about how to do this stuff, just check the description box to chat me up. I'll teach you everything you need to know from the scratch. Everything you need to know about trading. All right, how to start, how to identify your demand, how to know your support and resistance, how to know everything you need to know. And also I'll teach you about psychology, risk management, money management, trade management. All those things are really, really important. Trade management, because there's a way you cannot manage your trade and you close bad trades, good trades, and leave bad trades to run. Sometimes you close early, sometimes you FOMO in and stuff like that. So you need to learn how to, fix how to do these stuff without having so much challenge. Because by the time you have so many challenges, you miss so many trades. There's a way you do analysis. After analysis, you don't have the guts, the mind to take the trade. And sometimes you cannot even hold a trade for a longer time. Sometimes you close that. So I'll teach you how to do the stacking, also how to do stacking and how to flip little accounts. If you check my chart, my channel, yesterday I used $11 to make so much money and I opened so many positions. I will show you guys how to do all those things if you join my academy. All right, so I teach, my academy is on Zoom. I'll teach you on Zoom. I'll be there. You hear my voice, you see me on Zoom, and also send some video recordings that will help fasten the process and give you some assignments to go do them and submit them, so that if you have any challenge, I'll know where exactly to talk or we should work more on. All right, that way it helps you grow faster. So my academy, even if you don't have an idea, you don't even know what trading is, I'll put you through, tell you the right broker to use, the right lot size to use, and stuff like that. That will help you grow in this business in a very short period of time. All right, the measure is right here. If you want to know more about my strategy, just chat me up. The measure is right here. The VIP is running. We are making good profits, guys. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. All right, chat me up. Let's make money. Let's grow together. I love you guys. Bye bye.